Welcome to my video on growing your business with PLR rights and eBay, making money from home. This is a Resell Rights Vault video. In this video I will reveal how you can get products you can sell as your own. A lot of internet marketers use private label rights products and eBay to grow their businesses. Here's how. Some PLR memberships come packaged with keyword lists. Use these along with other research tactics to find popular selling items in your niches. You can use the free eBay Pulse section or eBay's research paid tools to see which products are popular sellers, hot items, check out the auction prices, win info, digital photos, auction sales copy, and specials or bonuses, etc. The goal is to see what you think prompted shoppers to place bids and compete. Find good PLR products to sell. Check the rights you have with your license to make sure you can sell your PLR on eBay. Some may require minimum pricing or minimum changes to the original content first. Then package some PRL content into small reports to sell at low cost as lead generators and package other PLR content as upsells, ebooks, guides, etc. These can be sold either through high-priced auctions or off eBay through your own website, e-zine, newsletter or blog. Set up a basic plan to tackle the following: automating what you can and systemizing the rest for optimum results with minimal effort, time and money. Packing and branding your PLR content. Adding money-making avenue streams to your packages and PLR content, affiliate product ads and links, banner ads, graphics links to sales pages, etc. Uploading the electronic files to your delivery area, setting up automated delivery systems. Start with baby steps. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars on the best video, audio, photo, word processing, automation and other software, for example. Take it easy and proceed slow and steady. Ask on internet marketing and other forums to see which types of software are available for free or cheap and which have free trial downloads. Automation and other shopping cart systems also offer trials at no charge. So surf around and tire kick. Then slowly grow as sales close, maybe partnering with a friend to co-create packages or getting creative other ways with joint venture opportunities. Test different PLR package combinations, automation and delivery setups, stats, your ad copy and other aspects of your business and operations over time. Then as you find good items and systems that work, repeat them. Thus you'll have your own systems and won't need to waste more time, money and effort on these aspects of our business. Invest in your business with advanced internet marketing training, eBay tools and training, your own niche training, etc. Don't get lazy. Stay in tune with the marketplace. Keep trying. Don't let a failure hold you back. Rebrand something, repackage it, revise it and try again. No one is successful 100% of the time. Hang in there. Encourage others and they'll encourage you in return. Put these tips to work for your business. Join a lot of internet marketers who use PLR products and eBay, and grow your business, too. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch my other videos. Check out the description below for information on how to get over 800 digital products that you can sell as your own.